The GRAF Optimax XXL is the highest-yielding rainwater pre-filter for large-scale commercial and industrial rainwater harvesting systems. The pre-filter accommodates flow rates up to 1,000 gallons per minute at 90% efficiency. To simplify maintenance, there is a bolt-on lid and 4 self-cleaning water jets to automatically clear the 350-micron mesh filter. The stainless steel construction is durable and long-lasting. For design flexibility, the pre-filter accommodates 10, 12, or 16-inch pipe. For ease of installation, it has a low offset height, is suitable for above and below ground installations, and can be mounted inside or outside the storage tank. For an optimal solution, we've combined the GRAF Optimax XXL pre-filter with the RainFlow fiberglass vault. The vault arrives pre-assembled with the filter for use with fiberglass, steel, plastic, or concrete tanks.